This is another try at the automatic crane brake. I was told that my first try on this, which was about 6 or so years ago, it wasn't very easy to see what was going on, so I'll try and describe this a bit better. So this is the input, this is a differential, and this is a drive to the actual drum, to turn the drum. This is a rubber ring which is acted on by a centre fork here, so that's the actual brake mechanism. Back down there there's a compression spring which, when the thing's at rest, will hold the centre fork against the rubber ring to operate the brake. At this end we've got, coming from out of the differential, we've got a 15 tooth gear going down to a 60 tooth gear, and then there's a crank mechanism to pull the centre fork away from the rubber ring. Now differentials sort of work in this case. The output is the easiest path. So at first, when I start turning, the easiest path is this section here. You can see that turning there. But then it has to start acting against the spring, and at that point the actual whole mechanism turns. So that's released some of the tension on the brake, and I can turn that fairly easily. Not completely easy, because this thing is now in equilibrium. There's an equal force here and here, so it's not completely easy. And if I go the other way, the mechanism goes round to the other side and you get the opposite effect. And it seems to work quite nicely. I mean, the only thing I don't like about my design is this centre fork on rubber, because the rubber's going to perish and then your brake is going to fail. And that's actually a problem with this, that it does not have a fail to safe. But you can envisage other ways of doing this which don't wear so much.